my cuzzies, it's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm gonna go for a cruise on my longboard. There's so many options to choose from today. I could go that way, maybe that way, maybe that way. We could go anywhere we want. Hey, remember to put your helmet on as well too. I've got a flash red and black helmet. And then put that in. And okay, where are we gonna go? I'm gonna go that way. Come on. It's gonna be such an awesome day today, te whānau. Let's see what we can find, eh? Hoa ke tātou. Such a beautiful day out here in the tai o whānau. I'm gonna see how fast I can go on my longboard. We're heading down a big ass hill. Come on! Oh, around the corner! And away! Yee-hee! Oh! What's that? Wow! Pretty awesome. I've just found a special spot at te whānau. I'm gonna see if I can go down this little ramp. Here we go. Hey. Water. Around the corner. Tight turn, tight turn. Up along here. I can do heaps of tricks. Hey, I can see some rubbish on the ground. Hey, said to Papa. What an amazing day it's been out in the tai o today, whānau. Ka kite anō.